Hyperia is actually alive and open on time for once! You're watching Ride Comparisons, and this isn't an April Fool. Hyperia is actually open on time. Apparently they've had Mack rides have actually been on site, so it opened for an hour yesterday, and in all the chats people were saying that it didn't actually break down, so me and Jacob thought we'd chance it, and it's actually open. We're just in the car park, guys. It actually looks really busy. I'm not too sure what's going on. Yesterday was Monday. It was one of the first off-peak days of the season, and it was absolutely heaving apparently. So apparently Jacob was saying, I think some schools have broken up already, but I'm not too sure, guys. The goddess is alive. There you go. She's going over now. Crazy. Okay, getting in the entrance was quite stressful there, wasn't it, today? Yeah. Not sure what's going on. A few school trips. And we're back for what is a very busy off-peak Tuesday, but at least Hyperia is open. I think at the moment, guys, on the app, Colossus actually has a longer queue than Hyperia, so feeling hopeful. As I say, guys, it is quite busy, and busy for an off-peak Tuesday, but looking at the car park, I think it's about a 4K day, I'm going to say. Not as busy as Blue Light there. Okay, 60 minutes from that point. If they haven't got the unlimited fast track, that's actually pretty accurate, isn't it? Jacob's happy that they sorted out the Griffin, that everyone was sort of pulling the plastic off. Row 2. Operations flying today. Man, she is running intense today, really fast, huh? Yeah. I just got a massive grey out at the bottom of the drop going into the Immelman. Doesn't usually do that to me. That was
train, though.
Rattly train, that one was. Yeah, ops are absolutely flying, guys. Great to see. If you saw the last Fort Park vlog, guys, there was a lot of moaning about fast tracks, people going around like 11 times. So apparently what they did was, in the shark cabins, if the park's not open the day before, they give you an unlimited fast track, which now includes Hyperia. So that was why we had so many problems with it that day, because everybody had one and they were just constantly going around because of the new priority. Anyway, guys, straight in for ride number 2, single rider this time. Shit is flying today, guys. Just want to do a shout out to Dominic Gardner. Go and follow him if you haven't yet, guys. He let me and Jacob get on with the fast track there, didn't he? So that was awesome. So we definitely have to include updates of the Hyperia duck in our vlogs, guys. We used to have chickens, didn't we? Yeah. Well, we still have chickens. We used to incubate their eggs. It takes about 28 days off of the top of my head, guys. So coaster duck here. Should be about 28 days till it has some babies. We're in the single rider queue for ride 6, guys. There's barely anyone here, isn't there? Yeah. Absolutely crazy. Just want to shout out Dale from Ride Upload. Make sure you go and subscribe to him if you haven't yet. He just helped us get on the ride quickly with the fast track, so cheers for that. I forgot to vlog, guys. We've been on Hyperia 9 times now, haven't we? This is awesome. It's quite busy, but ops are really fast, so we're going to go on stealth now.
Okay, do you want to go on it?
Yeah, we're going to give it a go. Jacob's never been on it before, have you?
No.
Swarm's just closed, so we're going on depth charge. You nervous now?
No.
Yeah, I trod on that.
That was way better than I remember. What do you reckon?
Yeah, that was quite fun.
I can't believe you've never been on it. What's this now, like ride 12?
Yeah, 12.
Crazy. Currently with a half an hour queue, guys. Hasn't broke down all day, has it?
No.
Look at these queue times, guys. What is going on? Closed. Oh, we didn't get the last train, but that was good, wasn't it? 12 rides, can't complain with that. Been a really good day, great ops, isn't it?
Yeah, flying.
Got Dale there from Ride Upload.
How we doing, guys? Cheers for letting me join with you guys today. It's been a great day.
So that brings us to the end of the video, guys. A bit of a short one today. I'm not really sure how long the vlog will be, because we were having way too much fun there, so I didn't really vlog too much. Absolutely brilliant, guys. We saw last night that on the Fort Park chats that Hyperia had a Mack Rides engineer out the other day. It worked for the last hour yesterday, and we thought we'd come down.
Once today.
Didn't break down once, as Jacob says there. So it looks like Hyperia is finally fixed, guys. It's been a really great day. We've chatted to a lot of people, didn't we?
Yeah.
It was with Dale from Ride Upload for most of the day there.
12 rides on Hyperia as
12
well.
rides on Hyperia. That's a new record for us. When we did the Hyperia challenge, we only got 10 rides that day, didn't we?
Yeah.
So nice and dead. Anyway, guys, if you did enjoy today's video, don't forget, hitting that subscribe button really helps us out, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed the video guys, hitting that subscribe button really does help us out, and don't worry, it's not the end, there's more videos here.